Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol sa balitang ito kung saan ay isa pong prediction ni Peter Brandt kay Bitcoin kung saan ay patatamaan daw po niya ang presyong $43,289. Maliban dito ay meron po siyang nakita or na-identify na isang rising wedge pattern dito kay Ethereum chart. Ayan, sa chart ni Ethereum. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ngayon po mga ka-crypto, sabi dito ay Bitcoin is on track to clinch $43,289 price. Ayan, muling nagbabalik daw si Bitcoin. Yan, para kanyang akyatin ang presyong $43,289. Yan, amid the formation of a pennant. As disclosed by veteran analyst Peter Brandt, who also called attention to a bearish rising wedge for Ethereum. Kaya ayan, dalawa pa yung kanyang prediction dito kay Bitcoin at saka kay Ethereum. Brandt made this disclosure in two separate analyses of the two largest crypto assets in the market. In a recent Bitcoin analysis, the analyst highlighted the formation of a pennant pattern on the BTC daily chart amid the ongoing uptrend. Yan, nakita po niya sa daily chart time frame ni Bitcoin ang tinatawag pong pennant pattern. Yan, at dyan po nabuo yung pattern na ito. Bitcoin forms bullish pennant. A pennant during an uptrend is a bullish continuation pattern. Yan, kapag nakakita po tayo ng pennant, ay isa po itong signal na pataas po ang market price ng isang crypto asset. At yan po ang nakita ni Peter Brandt dito kay Bitcoin. It features converging trend lines forming a small symmetrical triangle preceded by a flagpole which reflects the previous price surge. This pattern suggests a brief consolidation before the previous upward trend is likely to resume. Ayan. The flagpole of the current pennant formed when Bitcoin staged a rally from $26,555 low on October 12. The rally saw BTC or Bitcoin appreciate to $35,280 on October 24, marking a massive 33% increase in less than 2 weeks. Although Bitcoin has retained its upward trajectory, the momentum has reduced, leading to the formation of the pennant. Ayan, yan po yung mga price action ni Bitcoin itong nakalipas na araw. Kaya dahil dito ay nabuo yung pennant pattern na nakita ni Ginoong Peter Brandt. Ayan po. Ito po yung kanyang nakita na pattern. Yan, isa po itong bullish signal na magpapatuloy lamang sa pag-akyat si Bitcoin sa hinaharap. Kaya yan, aakyat daw po siya. Posibleng umakyat daw po siya hanggang dito sa presyong 43,289.70. When a pennant forms, analysts view it as a brief pause to the rally, preceding a continuation of the bull run. According to Brandt, to gauge the extent of the next price rally, market participants should measure the height of the previous price rally that formed the initial flagpole, from the lowest to the highest point into the pennant. According to him, they can then project the same appreciation rate for the next surge, starting from the last small reaction inside the flag. Using this technique, Brandt projects that Bitcoin could appreciate $43,289 in the following price run after breaking out from the flag. Ayan. Kung pag nagkaroon daw ng breakout dito sa flag ay ayan na nga, magkakaroon ng price surge si Bitcoin at aakyatin nito ang presyong 43,289.70. Ayan, dito naman po tayo kay Ethereum. Ethereum forms a rising wedge. Yan, rising wedge pattern naman po dito kay Ethereum. While Bitcoin could see a potential rally, Ethereum finds itself in a bearish pattern. Notably, it recently formed a rising wedge on the weekly time frame as highlighted by Brant in a recent post on X. Ayan, mukhang bearish pattern naman kay Ethereum. Ibig sabihin ay nagbibigay po ito ng signal na downtrend or pabagsak ang presyo ni Ethereum, ayan, sa hinaharap. Ayan, base sa pattern na ito. Ayan, market watchers typically consider a rising wedge a bearish reversal pattern. Ayan na nga, yung sinabi ko kanina. Kung pag nakakita po tayo ng isang rising wedge, ay nagbibigay po ito ng signal na babagsak ang market price ng isang asset. At yan po yung sitwasyon ngayon ni Ethereum. It forms converging upward sloping trend lines, indicating a tightening range between highs and lows. The pattern signals that the upward momentum is weakening and that a potential trend reversal to the downside may occur. Notably, the rising wedge formation began in June 2022 when it slumped to a low of $881 following the Terra collapse in May. The asset registered a comeback, eventually recovering its lost value. However, amid the recent uptrend, a slowdown has resulted in the formation of the wedge. Ayan, yan po yung wedge. Ayan. Kaya mukhang pag ganito yung nakikita natin na pattern ay ang pinapakita po nito na isang signal ay mataas ang posibilidad na dito siya magkakaroon ng breakout sa ilalim at babagsak siya. Ganyan po yung rising wedge pattern. It will be interesting to see if this market can expand beyond the PE of pi. Brant said on X, calling attention to the bearish structure. Peter Brant's statement appears to be a play on words, referring to a portion of the Ethereum price chart within the rising wedge pattern. Brant's words suggest that the analyst is watching to see if Ethereum's price can break out of the pattern and surpass the upper boundary of the wedge. Meanwhile, Ethereum seems to be seeing gains in the short term, while Bitcoin is currently down. It is up by 7.12% over the past 24 hours, currently trading for $2,080. However, BTC is changing hands at $37,100 with a 1.50% decline within the same time frame. Yan, umangat po si Ethereum kasi lumabas po yung balita na meron pong inilabas na application. Yan, isang malaking financial institution, ayan, application niya para sa spot Ethereum ETF. Kaya yan po yung nagdulot sa kanyang price surge, kaya umangat ang market price ni Ethereum. At ayun, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.